The Teaching Service Commission says it will do all it can to fill up posts and hire more teachers by January next year. The Executive Secretary of the Commission, Mduduzi Nkambule, says that is why they are expecting cooperation between the Commission, regional education officers and schools manager. Nkambule says they are, however, worried about the rate of corruption whereby some people pay for getting posts or for being promoted.
Now, we also, because this is the time for transfers, promotions, we're advertising, we were also giving a warning and saying we need ideas on how we can cap the corruption that we talk about every day. And we concluded that as we continue to communicate to our subordinates or to whoever, particularly the teachers, wherever we meet them, and the support that we're getting from the media houses would help us a lot. Fortunately, yesterday we also visited the Commissioner of Police, where also we are seeking for advice and help in terms of curbing this problem. There is an increase in the number of people reporting. Some of them phone and tell us that somebody has phoned them and says they should put put money in mobile. Yes. We have a number of them reporting to us that they're being robbed. And we are asking why they agree.
Nkambule also highlighted that one of the things that they will be closely looking at is absenteeism of teachers in schools and the issue of teachers who have cases, which he said it is important that the right procedure should be followed in such situations. Polile Maziambonga to be reporting for Swazi TV News in Mbabane.